Hi guys, just stopping by to say thank you so much for your support. We have reached 1,000 subscribers, yay! This tells me that I am achieving the goal of bringing value to you. Okay, so our journey so far. We originally started this channel to show people, aka my children, how to cook and have a vlog forever on how to peel an onion. And if you want to see how humble our beginnings are, click on the link now. Then with all the cooking that we were doing, we put on weight, and we've been on and off on keto. And I say on and off is because once we hit goal weight, we go into low carb. We've been on and off on keto since 2016, and it coincided with a friend asking me. She said, Mel, you're doing all this cooking and I really need keto recipes and low carb recipes that work. I normally try something and it's either the temperature's too high. For some reason, a lot of the recipes she was trying didn't work. And that's how we started and the journey so far. My personal journey is that at my heaviest, I was 100 kilos or 220 pounds. And I reached my goal weight of 60 kilograms or 132 pounds. Here are some of the pictures. I'm just gonna, throw them in there so you can see, I have been through the journey and you can relate. The focus of this channel is to bring you keto and low carb recipes that work. We try to give you all the tips we can. We show you the result. And we also try to give you, extra tricks that you might not have thought of. They could be common, but you might not know them. We present our own recipes that we convert to keto, as well as showcase fantastic recipes that are either really low in carbs. So we always aim for the lowest carbs. They achieve the mark on taste and, they look great. For January 2021, I'm not sure if you've noticed, but we have presented a recipe to you almost every single day. Really proud of that. However, that would never have happened. We wouldn't have been able to achieve it if I was all on my own. And so I want to introduce you to my husband, Chris, who is the director. He does all the shopping and he's the editor.
You forgot the most important part. I'm also the dishwasher. And as some people have noted in the comments, the smart ass behind the screen, which, yeah. My excuse is that some days it's a long day of filming and you need a little bit of humor to pick you up and keep the spirits high. So I'll just stick with that. But look, guys, I just want to say a quick thank you for 1,000 subscribers. It means the absolute world to us, each and every one of you. And we hope to just see that number continue to grow, and we'll keep bringing you the same value that we have been.
We want to continue bringing you keto and low carb recipes. We want to show you how to transition out of keto into low carb, once you've hit your goal weight. And we also want to show you how to get into keto. The other things that we want to show you is also how to get, a lot of people, they focus on just the food and they focus on what you can't eat, but also you need to have a certain mindset to have success on keto, and we want to talk about that. And please do drop us a comment if you are keen to see that. We want to do some live shows. If you're keen for that, please let us know. And the other plan that we have is to get Chris in the kitchen. Now, Chris, do you want to
I apologize ahead of time because that's not going to be pretty. I cannot cook to save myself, but the theory behind this, there is a little bit of science behind it. The theory is that if I can make it, anybody can make it. And we want to try and make the, obviously good recipes that are very tasty, but are also simple to make, that people can make with everyday ingredients that you can get at a supermarket. So as I say, if I can do it, so can you. So come along with me, it'll be a lot of fun. Won't be pretty, but it sure as hell will be funny.
And I'm sure 98% of the entire population hasn't had this happen. Chris has actually caught a kitchen on fire. So
well, it at least took 3 minutes before I got thrown under the bus, so that's something different.
So he not only can he not cook, but he also has a phobia about, you know, heat in the kitchen. So that we hope is going to be fun for you. But the message behind it will be, if he can make it, anyone can make it.
This is why I stay on the other side of the camera. It's a lot safer. Playing around with technology and cracking a few smart-ass comments. Yeah, that's where I live.
That's your comfort zone.
Yeah, speaking of which, I will head back there. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for all your support once again. We will see you in the next video, and please do drop us a comment. You know, if you've got any feedback for us, we'd love your direction as well. We can think of, you know, so many things, but if you need help with anything, just let us know. We're available on Instagram and on Facebook. And as I always say, stay safe and be well.